this movement's called the backside float. It looks like this. As you can see, it's a very similar setup to the sweep kick and also the Mea Lua. So let's break it down. As we step forward, like we're going to do a sweep or a Mea Lua, place the hands down, and instead of pivoting on this front leg here, we're going to allow it to lift off the ground and float around with the body and with the other leg. Let's check that out. So we step forward, place the hands down. This leg lifts as high as possible, opening and pulling us around into that lunge position. I'll show you from the other side. Step across, place the hands, push. And we're really pushing and trying to extend, opening up, almost like a handstand position through the scapula and the shoulders, and pressing and opening the hips up as well. So let's see it from a few different angles. So from here, we step forward, place the hands. And what I'm really trying to do is pull myself in a circular motion. This is going to be helpful when we go to combine movements together and create flows. So I step forward, push off my hand, and pull myself around. So I create this circle or semi-circle. I'll show you one more from the other side. A couple of different angles. One more angle here. Push, and allow yourself to float around. You might find yourself in a position where you're static and you're like this, and you don't have the option of stepping into it, or you just want to immediately move into the float from this position. So it's helpful to know this. You're going to place your hands down like you're going to do a monkey crawl. Monkey crawl looks like this. You're placing your hands down in front of the body, and you can initiate the float, backside float from this position. So crouch down, place the hands down. It just gives you another option to move from this space. So I'm here, place the hands down like I'm going to do a monkey crawl, and I pull that leg all the way around. So you've got plenty of options here. Again, make sure you practice, get this one nice and fluid and smooth. That's the backside float.